In the world of speed, one machine still whispers its name louder than any other. McLaren F1, born in 1992, engineered not to be the fastest, but to be perfect. Inside, a 6.1-liter BMW V12, hand-built, no turbos, no nonsense, just 618 horses screaming for freedom. It was one of the first ever production car to use carbon fiber monocoque chassis, and gold for heat shielding, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Top speed, 240.1 miles per hour, a record for decades. Only 106 exist, each one a $20 million artifact. Time moves on, but legends don't.